Ideas are there. It is just like dust which has gathered on a mirror. How the mirror can mirror, how the mirror can reflect. Your intelligence is just covered by opinions, the dust. And everyone who is opinionated is bound to be stupid and dull. That's why professors of philosophy are almost always stupid. They know too much to know at all. They are too much burdened. They cannot fly in the sky. They can't have wings. And they are so much in the mind, they can't have roots in the earth. They are not grounded in the earth, and they are not free to fly into the sky. And remember, you all are the same. There may be differences of quantity, but every mind is qualitatively the same, because mind thinks, argues, collects and gathers knowledge and becomes dull. Only children are intelligent. And if you can retain your childhood continuously, if you reclaim your childhood, you will remain innocent and intelligent. If you gather dust, childhood is lost. Innocence is no more. The mind has become dull and stupid. Now you can have philosophies. More philosophy you have, more you are far away from the divine. A religious mind is a non-philosophical mind. A religious mind is an innocent, intelligent mind. The mirror is clear. The dust has not been gathered. And every day a continuous cleansing goes on. That's what I call meditation. This professor of philosophy came to Nanin. He must